Right now I'm going to be talking about my washing wand. This is actually how we get the suds onto the window, which then we can get all the gunk and all that stuff off the window. I personally like to use this Ettore Porcupine cover. This cover has little fiberglass hairs, which will actually bring off all the water spots, as much as possible of the water spots, and a lot of the mud and gunk that you see that you can't get off with your average towel. And plus, no one wants to be there hanging the towel. It's a lot more convenient to put on the wand. This is the wand itself. This is a plastic wand. You buy these in about 18 inches, and they have a swivel handle. I like a lot of play in my handle, as you'll see later on when I wash the window how much I can swerve more and get more of a kick to the dirt. Let's place this in there. It's a sleeve. It's just like a sleeve. Pop it up there, and then you go ahead and just cover it all up. Make sure there's no plastic showing because you don't want to scrape your window. After that, you're ready to wash the window.